you can have fun in an adult day center.
I think the biggest thing, and so sometimes like I will say from having the experience of all three, I think the adult daycare does kind of bring out the best of all three, because at the end of the day, when someone's coming to us, like our main focus, that day is to make sure they're having fun.
Yes.
Like, so, like when they're coming to us for the day, if they're not feeling well, they're probably not coming that day. Like they're probably going to stay home, right? So like the adult daycare does bring out the best of everyone. Like, so it brings out the best of your team, it brings out the best of your members, because for the most part, everyone's like coming there for this great time, right? Where in assisted living, we have all sorts of other problems. It's like you got overnight issues, you got behavioral problems, you got medication issues, you got staffing issues, you got all these other things, and it's happening, and there's a lot more going on. And the same with home care, like, you got staffing problems, you can't recruit enough people, we got wage issues, like there's always stuff happening, and you have a shortage of people that can work in the field. So like, because you need a 1-to-1 ratio there. So like, it's not that all of these fields are just like always happy all the time. Like, it's just that there is a lot about the adult daycare that does bring the best of like senior care from it. So it's just because of the structure of the day is more focused on just having fun,
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.